If you use OneNote every day, you may have noticed that the section tabs and pages usually stay across the top, which can feel a little crowded and harder to navigate. In this video, I'll show you how to move OneNote section tabs and pages to the left in just a few clicks, so your notebook feels cleaner, easier to organize, and much simpler to use. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick OneNote tips and software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft OneNote and make sure you're inside the notebook where you want to change the layout. At the top of the window, look for the toolbar and click on the View tab. The View tab is where OneNote keeps display and layout options, so this is the first place you need to go. Once you're in the View menu, look for the option called Tabs Layout. Click on Tabs Layout to open the available layout choices. This is where OneNote lets you change how your notebook tabs are displayed on the screen. Now, from the list of options, choose Vertical Tabs. As soon as you select Vertical Tabs, OneNote will move your section tabs and page navigation to the left side of the window. This creates a more traditional sidebar-style layout, which many people find easier to manage, especially when working with lots of sections and pages. After switching to Vertical Tabs, take a moment to look over your notebook. You'll notice that everything is now aligned on the left, giving you more horizontal space in the main note area. This can make reading, writing, and organizing your notes feel much more natural, especially on widescreens or laptops. If you ever want to switch back later, you can return to the same View tab, open Tabs Layout again, and choose the original horizontal layout. So this setting is easy to change anytime, depending on how you like to work. And that's it. You've now moved OneNote section tabs and pages to the left using vertical tabs. A small change like this can make a big difference in how comfortable OneNote feels day to day. If this video helped, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more simple tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.